Hello, I have bought a iPhone part slot with a one extra item. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet, but let's say I didn't buy the lot for the iPhone parts. Let's get to unboxing. Okay, there's a big label. I gotta cover that. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so an iPhone 8 Plus with almost every part except the battery display. An iPhone SE 2020. Oh, yep, that's destroyed. Another SE housing. Some iPhone 10 housings and some logic and a logic board. These are taped together. That's 3 housings. iPhone 5 and an SE housing. This one has a logic board. Ooh. This is iPhone SE. It says iCloud. Another SE. This one looks pretty good. And these are 5 or 5S's. There's a piece of snap logic board and a SIM tray. An iPhone 6S housing with the logic board. iPhone 7 with the display and another 7. iPhone 7 jet black. An iPhone 6S complete, which looks really good. Yeah, this one looks brand new. Maybe that's why it was covered in this. An iPhone 4S maybe. Some displays. These are 5 for the 5. This one is for a 5, and these are for 5S. This looks like a 7 display and a 6 display. Three iPhone 6 housings. All look pretty good. An iPhone 5S without the battery. Another 5S, this one also without a battery, and the home button. A bag of various parts, and another huge bag of parts. An iPhone 5S box, I'll look at that later. And the reason why I bought this slot. A JCID programmer, because I did not have one, and this whole lot cost way less than a new programmer. So let's take a look at this iPhone 5S. It's in there. Looks pretty good. No accessories. That's unsurprising. the manuals are here, so that's nice. I finally have a box. And there we go. That's the... oh wow. That weighs nothing. Does this need to be plugged in? Yep, there we go. And that's the tool. So yeah, this is the reason why I bought the whole lot. Let's also take a look at these parts. Battery, a logic board. There's supposed to be 2 iPhone 7s unlocked. Some Face ID modules for my iPhone 10. And a bunch of logic boards. This is a 5. These are all 5s or 5Ss. Another 7, I think. Here's some displays. It's getting really dark. Yeah, that's something. And some more home buttons and modules and stuff. And in the other bag, there's batteries. Alright, so just to put it into perspective, this is all the stuff that I got from the lot. I'm gonna have some sorting to do now, that's for sure. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.